Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video, we are going to explore Toca Life World, a super creative open-ended game loved by kids and adults alike. So let's get started. Toca Life World, or just Toca World, is a sandbox-type game developed by Toca Boca. It combines all the Toca Life apps in one connected universe where you can create your own characters, stories, and worlds. There's no rules, no score, just pure imagination. You can build homes, take your characters shopping, go to school, run a restaurant, and so much more. To start, first you need to download your app if you haven't, so go to the App Store, then search Toca World in the search bar, and after this icon pops up, so tap on that, then you have the install button right there, tap on install, open it up. Now choose your starter location like the apartment or hair salon, open the app and then tap play, then choose your starter location like the apartment or hair salon, tap on a building to enter, then use your fingers to drag characters, tap items to interact and move things around freely. There's no instructions, so just explore, tap everything and let your imagination run wild. You can also create your own characters using the character creator tool, change their hairs, clothes and accessories to match your style. And if you want more content, Toca Life World lets you buy extra locations like hospitals, schools, malls, or even whole cities. Just go to the in-game shop. There are also free gifts available every week in the post office. You can also take screenshots or even record your stories to share with your friends. Keep your favorite characters safe, decorate homes with furniture, and discover hidden secrets in many locations like secret buttons, treasures, and surprise pets. And that is all about Toca Life World. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like if it did and comment down if you have any questions. See you in the next video. Bye.